you tired of spending hours on your haircare routine? Do you dream of having healthy, shiny locks without putting in too much effort? Well, you're in luck. Hi guys, I'm Sanya and today I'm going to share the lazy girl haircare routine for healthy, shiny hair. If you're here watching this, we're definitely on the same lazy wavelength. But hey, let's break free from our laziness just for a second and show some love by hitting that subscribe button to our BeBeautiful channel. And oh, don't forget to ring that bell icon for more fabulous, lazy approved beauty tips. After all, being lazy doesn't mean we can't stay beautiful, right? I have colored hair and the only time I pamper them is on Sundays. But that is if I don't go out the night before. And because I stay here in this bustling Mumbai city, I usually go out the night before. Super lazy and tired the next day to give my hair the care it needs. I don't like incorporating many steps in my routine, so I've settled for 4 steps that I usually swear by. Alright, let's kick off our lazy haircare routine with the first step. Shampooing those locks. We all desire hair that's shiny and silky, don't we? But let's be real, who even has time for a complex regimen? That's why I've discovered the ultimate solution to give my colored hair the dazzling shine it craves with minimal fuss. Drum roll please. Introducing the fabulous Love Beauty and Planet Muru Muru Butter and Rose Aroma Blooming Color Shampoo. It's infused with exotic and ethically sourced ingredients such as Amazonian Muru Muru butter. This butter is known for its nourishing and moisturizing properties. Plus, it adds that lovely shine to colored hair which tends to appear dry at times. This superhero shampoo is free from silicone, parabens and dyes. It's like a shield against those hair villains that can cause your color to fade faster than a shooting star. But what I love most about this shampoo is the beautiful fragrance of hand-picked Bulgarian rose petals. Be rest assured that you will come out of the shower smelling like a rose. After shampooing, don't forget to condition. I get it, we all have those days when we just can't be bothered. But let me drop some truth bombs on you. Conditioning is non-negotiable, my friends. Your hair deserves some serious TLC. And when it comes to choosing a conditioner, keep it simple. Stick with the one that matches your shampoo. They're meant to work together and give your hair the best care. So I use the Love Beauty and Planet Muru Muru Butter and Rose Aroma Blooming Color Conditioner. Take a good amount of the conditioner. How much you ask? Well, that depends on how much hair you've got going on. Use your judgment, people. Focus your attention on the mid-lengths and ends of your hair. Those poor things tend to be drier and more damaged, so give them some extra conditioning loving. But hold up, don't go slathering that conditioner all over your scalp. That's a recipe for a greasy disaster. Keep it away from your roots, okay? Once done, rinse with cool or lukewarm water. Congratulations, my lazy haircare warriors! You've successfully conquered the conditioning step. Alright, it's time to dive into the third step of our lazy girl haircare routine. Applying a hair serum after showering. Now let me tell you, hair serum is like a magical potion for your locks. It's the secret weapon that tames frizz and flyaways, leaving you with a sleek and polished look. Not only that, it also adds a brilliant shine and makes your hair look healthier and more vibrant. Oh, and the best part? It shields your precious strands from the damaging heat of styling tools like flat iron and blow dryers, which means no additional product. Wow! Now you might be wondering, is there a serum that does it all? Well, let me introduce you to the one and only Tresemme Gloss Ultimate Hair Serum. It's the perfect companion for lazy girls like us, who want fabulous hair without the extra effort. Just apply it to damp hair, focusing on the mid-lengths to ends. Skip the roots, we don't want greasy hair. Then grab a white tooth comb or brush and gently distribute the serum, saying goodbye to knots and tangles. Ta-da! Effortless fabulousness achieved. Now it's time for the fourth step in our lazy girl haircare routine. Indulging in a weekly hair mask pampering session. This once-a-week ritual will nourish and revive your hair, leaving it soft, smooth, and beautifully rejuvenated. It's the perfect excuse to relax and pamper yourself while giving your hair the extra boost it deserves. For my colored hair, this mask has worked wonders. It's the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Deep Smoothing Mask. Simply apply a generous amount from mid-lengths to ends, focusing on the oh-so-dry ends. Use a wide-toothed comb to spread the magic evenly. Let it work its wonders for 3 to 5 minutes and then finally rinse it off with a splash of cold water. With its potent combination of keratin and marula oil, this hair mask is a true powerhouse for your locks. Keratin works its magic to strengthen and control frizz, while marula oil provides deep hydration and a silky smooth finish. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video on the lazy girl hair care routine for achieving healthy and shiny hair. Before I sign off, make sure to show some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to our BeBeautiful channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Bye!